eager leaders gathered here today. Proceed. Principal 3 of Anibungan National High School.
Atong active po niya, MC. So, my warm welcome to everyone. Good morning. So, my courtesy, you are here, in this very important event, in our school. I really mean to include this one as one. Moving and do our, according to Warren Bennis, as I search in the internet, yun siya, leadership is the capacity to translate nakaputang perspective. Kaya naman yung mga building, mga projects sa ato ang gobyerno, makakita mo na nakabutang gara nga pila ang budget, kung na ay nakabutang ko yung drawing, muna siya ito ang perspective. Na, bisa wala pa na mo ang building, makita na nimo unsa ang kanang real, ang building ang manita mo kita.
A round of applause.
Pamanahon, pero muhatag ko gamay ngayon ko. Mag-isog ko dili mag-relax ang lawas, pero kay naman ko invitation nga gipadalagikan sa school, so ako hindi siya gipadungan.
And order na ato ang sa school ipa-implement sa school.
Pwede ko yung isolusyon. Una na.
If only you were mine, I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words of
Working group during the Leadership Training 2024. Anibungan National High School. Another certificate is given to our teacher of Anibungan National High School, Neil Michael T. Salcedo, teacher 2. Another certificate is given to Jeneline D. Madera, teacher 1. Another certificate is given to Mariam B. Alquizar, teacher 1 of Anibungan. Another certificate
to us, and as we partake this
Ibig na sila.
Hola! Hola! Hi! 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 Hola!
Meron pa, diet na tayo ni si Dili ko. Dahil kayo na dahil.
Dili,